get lost in pieces. You make me levitate. Somebody said it's fate. Somehow you always fix the broken pieces. You are the only thing that is benefit for me. And you are the only one that I ever thought I need. When I'm with you, I'm better forever with you. When I'm with you.
Good morning, everyone! It's another happy day because today, pupunta na tayo sa...
We are going to Disneyland, California.
Yes! Yan ang pinaka-inaabangan ni Cyril. Ito talaga yung kanyang 7th birthday trip. So, first, we're going to Anaheim. Dun yung Disneyland Park and Disneyland California Adventure. Then, after nun, magdadrive kami papuntang Joshua Tree National Park. And then, Las Vegas. And then, Grand Canyon. And then, we'll go to Los Angeles. Are you excited? Yes! Oh my God! It's gonna be a long flight. So, ang stopover namin ay sa Taipei. Mga 1 hour and a half lang naman yon. So, yun lang. We'll see you there. Bye! Bye! Hey everyone! Nandito na tayo sa NAIA Terminal 1. Lilipad tayo with EVA Airways. So, we're very excited kasi first time natin silang matatry. Tingnan natin kung maganda yung service nila. Pero so far, I've heard good things about this airline. Nakapila na kami ngayon sa online check-in line. So, let's see kung gaano kabilis. Yan lang! Hi, girl.
Look, Mommy, it's a controller.
Sabi sa'yo magkasya.
Kasya sa'yo? Hindi. Papaano yan? Hi. Hi. Are you excited for your birthday trip?
Yes.
Birthday trip starts now.
Oh, it's a baby.
What did they give you? What's that?
Toy.
A toy? Okay, you open it later.
No, I'll open it now.
Okay. Wow, ang sweet naman ni EVA Air. What will you say? Look at me.
Thank you.
Okay.
Optimus Prime, transform.
Ano ba yun?
Meal time na, pero yung kakain. Hello! Ano food ni Cyril? Let's try. Oh, ang init. Super. It's burger patty. And fruits, chocolate. Cyril. Okay, dito na tayo sa Taiwan for layover. Kaya pa? Papunta na tayo sa connecting flight. Ilan yun? Mga 13 hours yun na flight from Taipei to Los Angeles. See ya! Cyril, you wanna play? Just kidding. Okay. Let's find our gate here, left. Wow, this is so nice. Right? Hungry yung baby ko. Ayan, water. Pwede kaya credit card? Pwede. Ang dami, oh. Tinatawag nila ako. Ayun pa sa kabila. Kaso, baka maiwan tayo ng flight. Pursery. I wanna buy perfume. No. Okay. Food trip na si Siri.
Pakita mo yung laman.
Ito yung lamanog. Ang lavish niya. Teka. Ayan, anong laman? Ah, dala niya si Flashy niya.
Yeah, si...
Her first aid kit. Chips.
Sino yan?
Kinuha ko yun sa car.
Bakit? Ah, para pag natulog siyang ganun. Galing ah.
Kasi,
Galing mag-pack nito. Kompleto lagi. Ano? Travel pa.
He's always ready.
He's always ready. Sabi niya sa'yo, he's always ready. Okay, boarding na kami. Are you ready for 12-hour flight?
Pakita mo siya.
Oh, what's her name again?
Rebecca.
Rebecca. 3. Okay. Here we go. 11:30 na. Pero si Suril, talon pa rin ang talon. Oh my God. Best spot. Yeah. Someday. Si Suril gusto mag-business class. Ito yung premium economy. So, Daddy and I were thinking of upgrading here. Kaso, oo. Kaso nga, hindi mo maaangat yung upuan. Oops, sorry. One way, mga plus ano lang. 40,000. Oo. Pero mas malaki nga siya, ha? Yeah.
Hi, welcome. Hi, welcome.
Hello. Ay, mahal ganun din. Hindi rin maaangat, eh. Ay, maangat. Okay. Nice.
What number are we?
55. Hi, Rebecca. Are you ready to fly? Where are you going?
Los Angeles. You want to go to Los Angeles?
Okay. What? Daddy first. Wait. Ikaw muna, dito ako sa island.
ah baby.
Okay, wait. I'll go with Daddy. See, I told you there's gonna be blankets. Yeah? Okay, settle down. Okay, ready for the 12-hour flight.
I'm ready. I'm not gonna
Do you like the plane? Which one is better, yung kanina or this one? Yeah, this is bigger. Wow, sweet naman ni EV Air. Ano to? Puzzle, Age of Dinosaurs, and puzzle din. But she's too tired to play. Good night.
just keep it.
Okay. Okay, eto na yung food natin. Siyempre, yung kakain, tulog na naman. So, they have sausage, meatball, and spaghetti for kids, bread, cake, ano to, parang salad and fruits. And then, we have beef. I don't know what this is. Mukhang gelatin. Then bread, some kind of vegetable, and fruit. Kain tayo. kanina kasi yung Manila to Taipei na flight, hindi okay yung meal. Ano siya, chicken tocino pero hindi masarap. Ngayon masarap siya. Masarap na beef. How was your flight? Long? Yeah. Nara. Just landed. That was fast. Ang bilis namin sa immigration. So, yung mga tinanong lang is gaano kami katagal dito, purpose of travel, ano work sa Philippines, and if we're staying with family or sa hotel. So, since wala naman tayong family dito, we said na hotel lang. Sa Pixar Place tayo magstay. Ayan, waiting na lang kami for the luggages. Ang daming tao. Welcome to LA, Cyril. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes. How was your flight?
Yes.
How was your flight? Huh?
No.
No yung flight. Why long? Too long, no? Okay, so...
Like a 12 hours?
Yeah, it's like total flight time of 14 hours. So 2 hours from Manila to Taipei. And then 12 hours from Taipei to Los Angeles. So, kanina sa immigration, wala, konti lang naman yung tanong. And then, nakita nila sa passport na magbe-birthday si Cyril. So, sabi nila, happy birthday! Yeah, so kukunin lang namin yung luggage. And then, try natin mag-withdraw dito. And then, we have a pickup service. Ooh! That's it. See ya later! Okay, nakuha na natin yung luggage. Punta na tayo sa pickup zone. Right? Kawawa naman, sagatan po. Alcohol? Okay, so nandito na tayo sa labas ng Lax. Cyril, come here. Doon tayo sa may B10 pipick upin. Let me do that. Give it to me. Thanks. Follow mommy, ha? Okay, let's cross the street. Oh, wait. There's a bus. Don't cross. Okay, let's go. Up, stay there. Okay. Pagod? Hindi ganun kalamig, no?
Ako na yung mga dala natin.
Oo nga eh. So, ayan, nandito na kami sa labas. Hindi ganun kalamig, naka-t-shirt lang ako. Kaya pawisan pa nga ako kasi lumakad tayo ng mahaba. Ano ba yung temperature ngayon? Let's check. 14 degrees, pero sakto lang, kaya ng shirt. Naka-shirt lang ako. So, antayin na lang natin yung service. See ya! Ito na ata yung service natin eh, I'm not sure. Pero, her name is Jennifer. Yeah, bumaba na ba siya? Tanong mo nga kung siya. Ayan. Yeah. Alright. Let's go. Ikaw na mahal. Okay. Jump in, Cyril. You have a booster seat? Hi. Okay, so dito sa US, mahigpit sila sa child seat. So, Cyril has a booster seat. Okay. Fasten your seatbelt, ma'am. Huh? No, you have to. Okay, punta na tayo sa hotel. Yeah.
Sparkly buttons for mommy. And for you, you can pick which ones you like. I'm assuming you don't want sparkles. Do you want sparkles? Yes. Doesn't want sparkles?
Is this all for us?
Yes, of course.
Oh, thank you.
Or would you like a regular one? Or you want sparkles?
No, it's okay.
Yeah? Okay, good. Okay, perfect. So this is a little activity book for little lady. There's a little scavenger hunt in here on page 10. We have 16 characters hidden in the floor in the lobby. If you look right behind you, you'll see the first one. It's Bing Bong. See him right there?
On the floor.
So they're hidden all over our floors, and this kind of is a little map to help you find them.
Okay.
And then there's lots of fun stuff in there. And then we're gonna go over how to get around.
Yeah, it's gonna be a scavenger hunt, so you have to find it. Yeah. Okay.
Room 316 on the third floor. So your keys. So these are the days that are early entry. So tomorrow, early entry is Disneyland. California Adventure Disneyland. California Disneyland. Okay?
Okay, so nandito na tayo sa Pixar Hotel. We're staying at room 316. Pagpasok mo, hello! Why are you hiding in the closet? You don't need to hide.
Why?
So, super happy si Cyril. Okay, let's show the room agad. So, there's... Yeah! So, may dalawang queen-size bed. And then, look, oh, baby, oh. Yeah? And then, there's a couch. And then, may working area. And there's a sweet message. Welcome, Hogno family. Okay, let's check out the... ito pala muna. So, may coffee maker dito. And then, I think this is for ice. Although, wala pa siyang laman na ice. And then, here, there's the fridge. Oh, I'm so glad they didn't put anything. Okay, kasi dito sa US, magalaw mo lang siya. May sensor yon, matcha-charge ka na. Tapos, andito yung coffee pods.
Don't touch them.
No, it's fine. Glasses and cups. And then just
Can
storage.
we sit on the couch now?
Not yet. You have to clean it up and you need to change. And this is the bathroom. Ang liwanag, no? Ang ganda, oh. And, ayan. And this is the shower area. So far, it looks really clean. Okay. That's it. Are you happy, Cyril? Ayun, nakuha pala natin. Walang ano to. Walang view. So, pero kita mo rito, medyo tanaw ng konti si Disneyland California Adventure. So, I don't know if kita, pero yun. Medyo nakikita ko yung Ferris wheel ba yun? Basta yung may ilaw siya. Oo. Ayan. Anyway, yun lang. Okay. So, grabe yung biniyahe namin. Siguro starting from pag-alis namin ng bahay, we've been traveling for 24 hours na umalis kami sa bahay kahapon ng 1 p.m. It's now 9:26 p.m. here in California. This is in Anaheim City. So, sa Pilipinas siguro mga ano na rin, 1:30 p.m. So, pagod na kami. And it's been a long journey going here. Pero super excited kami for tomorrow. So, bukas sana magising kami na maaga. Pupunta kami agad sa Disneyland Park. Right, Cyril? Oh, no.
Busy.
She's busy. Okay. So, we're just going to take a bath and then eat and then sleep and then we'll start our adventure tomorrow. Yeah? Oh, si Maylene. Okay, so that's it. We will just take a bath, clean up, eat, and sleep, and wake up early for tomorrow to start our adventure here in West Coast, USA. So that's it. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Hey! Bye! Pagod na talaga. Okay, bye!